back to the channel. We've been staying at U-Tree Holidays Caravan CL site, Caravan and Motorhome Club CL site. Yeah, we came down on the A55 south, joined the A41 to Whitchurch, and then left onto Chester Road and then onto Newton Road. As you can see, it's a working farm, so expect a bit of noise from the animals and what have you. There's one of the local dogs coming to say hello. I think he's coming with me for this little review. And as you can see, there's our caravan dead ahead. So there's a gate there. You'll need to open that every time you want to come in and out. There's a unisex shower room, unisex toilet and basin, as you'll see in a second. There's a water point outside here, look, drinking water. So there's the gate you come in. There's a gate there that you can go through. Drinking water, unisex showers. Final light switch. It's got a little honesty fridge here where you can buy milk, orange, eggs. There's the little tin, a few leaflets and things, bit of local information. Just turn this light on for you. So as you can see, sink, toilet, plenty of toilet rolls, and a very clean shower, fully controllable. So that's that for the shower room. Unisex toilet and basin, all clean, hand wash, plenty of toilet roll, and a couple of hooks. Everything you need. So I'll just go back outside and show you around where the disposable points are. So back around the corner, through the gate. Lock the gate behind me. Plenty of bins for your recycling and rubbish. Your elsan point, cleaning water. And there you go, that's pretty much it. There's the field there, 5 pitches, plenty of room for us all, plenty of electric points, and very neat and tidy. As you can see, we've got a decent sized pitch for ourselves. And if you want, you can go and see the lambs over in the field over there. In fact, I'll go over there now. How cute are they? Oh, it was just peeping over the fence then. And there's the proud mum. Oh, hello. Look at that. Oh, meh. What do you think of them, Mike? Meh. Oh, I think Mike come over to say hello, Mike. Do you reckon they'll come and say hello? So what did you think of this site then? I think it's very good, all for £16 a night. I don't think you can grumble, can you? Does what it says on the tin.
The big one's coming over.
Well, that's the mum. She's making sure they're okay because they're making that noise. She's making sure they're okay.
Why do they keep staring at us?
To make sure that we're not going to do them any harm. But we're not, are we? So anyway, there you go. Spin back round, and there you go. Nice, pleasant, quiet sight, and all you can hear is birds.
And sheep.
And sheep, yeah. There's an occasional train that goes past over there in the distance, but
We went somewhere
you hardly
cool.
notice it. And we went somewhere cool, didn't we? We didn't go to the ice cream factory, did we? I think it was a little bit busy. There was too many people there. The car parks were absolutely chocker. But we went to Beeston Castle this weekend, didn't we? And we went into Shropshire and Went to a family amazing place, didn't we? Do you know what? I can't remember what it's called. I'll have to put a link to it up in the bottom of this video. So there you go. I don't know what goes on in there, but it must be sheep shearing because there's a bit of wool lying around and what have you. But there you go. That's the end of this little tour and kind of little review. I can't fault it. I absolutely love it. I'm easily pleased though. But no frills, no need for it really. It does exactly what we need it to do. Nice country air, no noise, or you can hear the birds. What more can you say? One thing I do want to add is when we got to meet the owner of the farm, she was really, really nice, very polite, very friendly, and she let my son play with the basketball net behind me by that building there, even though it was her son's, and she let my son play with the basketball net, which Michael was really happy about. So thank you very much for that, and thank you for making us feel really welcome. Definitely want to come back, so you'll probably see us again.
That.
So there you go. Hopefully you found this little review and tour useful of Yew Tree Farm family holidays, Caravan and Motorhome Club CL site in Cheshire, Newton. We've had a great 2-day break and we've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I can't fault this site whatsoever. Really enjoyed it. See you next time. Ta-ra.